believe me. Nobody in their right mind could possibly believe me. But it's true. Really. When I wake up this morning, I wanted to turn into my mother. There was in my mother's bed, with my feet reaching all the way to the bottom. I had in my mother's kind gown, locks and beads all over my hair. I think I could see the rollers. And if I have my mother's hair, I probably have her face too. Oh my, it's sticky. I know it's moisturizer. I decided to say I will get it down in the bathroom mirror. After all, you don't turn into your mother every day of the week. Maybe it was imagining it or dreaming. Well, I wasn't. What I saw in the mirror was absolutely my mother from head to toe. See? I have reason to believe that she was responsible for the whole happening. Because last night, we had a sort of an argument. My name is Rose Angeles. No, you don't think. I don't even have any name. Joe, I'm all 16, but the longest girl in class. And I always receive love letters from boys. And mother always mad about things. And a lot more. She's prettier than most mothers, but she's so very strict. My God, Miss Angeline, you're my baby, but you're acting like a grown-up lady. What's up with that? Oh, mother. Just the thing I can understand how strict she is. Take me for instance. Do you know what she makes me for breakfast? Cereal, orange, toasted eggs, milk, and 2 vitamin D. She's going to turn me to a limb. My God, Miss Angeline, how many times do you have to tell me not to throw your waist anywhere? Your skirt is the headboard, your belt is the floor. Don't get patient. It's not a lady. But I fixed it before I left. Fixed? I'll fix those girls in the right check you say you were fixed. The biggest thing to fight about is freedom. Because it's old enough to be more than I'm getting. I'm not allowed to walk alone in the park, even with a friend, because